Hello again, guys. This time around I finally decided to open a box, but this time around in the comforts of my own home with no background noise or other distractions. Alright, let's hope for a good one from this box of Donruss Soccer 1819. Actually, I have a little bad feeling about this box because it came with a dent, so hopefully that doesn't mean that we're gonna see some collateral damage. Okay, I have only like 8 minutes left in this video, so I think I'm just gonna have to shuffle the cards really quick. You always have your fair share of optics, so lots of sorting to do later on. And then you have your inserts. Teal blue, numbered 149, Harry Kane. Yep. Once again, your optics, and then your inserts, the Dominator of Antoine Griezmann. The players who are featured in their international jerseys, I believe some of the screenshots were taken when they were in action during the 2018 World Cup. So that's pretty nice. But I believe for France, like for example the Griezmann that you saw just now, there's already that World Cup winners patch that's already attached to their jerseys. So I think at least for France, players in their France football jerseys, obviously those screenshots were taken after the World Cup victory in Russia. Speaking of World Cup, you're gonna see your fair share of women's soccer autos. I think this is something that Panini America is pushing out just in time for the Women's World Cup happening this summer. Some of the optic inserts look really nice. This is the Illusions set, Toni Kroos. Yeah, I know someone who is interested in this. A die cut. Okay, this is Koke, Atletico Madrid's 3 of 100. I think you're gonna get one die cut per box. Alright, 2 autographs. Let's hope for 2 good ones. Your optics again. Roberto Baggio, Legends. Ooh, 105, wow. Pretty low number. Press proof, rated rookie. I think in almost every box that I've opened, I've gotten at least a number to 5 or a number to 10 low numbered parallel. This is already my 3rd box. So yeah, pretty nice hit ratio when it comes to low numbered hits. But then again, for a box that costs $100 US or more, obviously they have to deliver. Interesting, where are the autos? think I'm halfway through. Nope, not in here. Something nice coming up. This is rated rookie Jadon Sancho, number to 25. Another nice low numbered hit. Unluckily, not the jersey numbered card though. Come on, where are the autos? Oh, I think it's a Women's World Cup auto. Oh, but it's a nice one. Brilliant. I've been wanting to get her for a long time. It's a numbered card as well. A 30 of 75. I've gotten Hope Solo. I've gotten Carly Lloyd. I've gotten Abby Wambach. Haven't gotten Mia Hamm yet, but this has been one of my more coveted women's soccer auto for a long time. Alex Morgan. Fantastic. So I've gotten all the big names already. Hope Solo, Carly Lloyd, and now her. Alex Morgan. Brilliant. If there's ever one ladies auto that I ever want to get, it's her. Fantastic. Very good start to this box. New autograph to the collection as well. First time I've ever gotten her. So it should be a men's auto in the remaining packs. I honestly don't believe there will be two ladies autos in the same box. Another numbered hit. Ooh, and it's numbered to 10. Wow. Numbered to 5, numbered to 25, and now a number to 10. This is Ivan Perisic for Croatia. So all the hits have been numbered so far. Even the auto is numbered. Very nice. Shaping up to be a very nice box. But as you can see, there are some cards that are structurally damaged. This being one of them, but never mind, it's just a base. Let's see my Carly Lloyd. My Alex Morgan looks to be intact. The edges look sharp and nice. Okay, 2 more packs left. I have like 40 seconds of footage left. Let's do a quick one. So who's it gonna be? Oh, not this pack, so it has to be the last one then. Come on. Alright, there you go. The auto is Arjun Ramos. I've gotten him before already, but I think I'll stop this video because I'm running out of time, so goodbye.